Ang masaya mo?
I'm so happy! Oh my God! Katabi ko na matutulog. I wanna cry. I'm so happy with this Louis Vuitton. Hi guys! We're gonna do some unboxing of my first Louis Vuitton. So this is from my husband, his anniversary gift for me. And today is our first wedding anniversary. Yay! So unbox natin kasi gagamitin ko na siya today. So let's do it! Let's start! So, background muna regarding this bag. So, I've been planning to buy this bag since December 2020. And, yun, pinag-isipan ko talaga siya ng husto para hindi naman yung biglaan na bili. Kasi hindi naman biro yung presyo nito. So, that's why we plan to buy during our wedding anniversary para memorable din naman siya. So, yun. So, I decided to buy this bag kasi nakita ko dun sa Louis Vuitton website. Ito yung pumukaw na aking puso. So, yun. And then, what else? Hindi siya ganun kalakihan kasi I'm not a person na maraming dinadala hawag lumalabas. So, usually, yung laman lang ng bag ko is I don't have wallet. Hindi ako nag-wallet. So, cards, and then keys, cellphone, and minsan may makeup din pero hindi masyado. So, yun. And that's it. So, I hope you like it. So, let's start opening. So, let's turn here. So, there. Yay! So amazing. By the way, during the time, we bought this pala sa Marina Bay Sands last February 14. And then, sobrang daming tao. And lahat ng nakakasalubong namin doon is dala Louis Vuitton. Parang, in my mind, parang, ha? Sobrang mura ba nito para ganun-ganun lang bumili yung mga tao. And then, ang haba ng pila niya that time na pumunta kami. So, siguro dahil February 14, Valentine's, so kaya maraming bumibili. So, jowa, mag-asawa, may pupunta doon. And one more thing, they gave me this free perfume. So, I don't know how to read it. Rose d'Ebene. I don't know. So, and then another one is Apogee. I'm not sure. So, I haven't tried. I haven't opened kung anong scent nito. So, we'll see later. So, let's start now. So, here's my Louis Vuitton. I haven't opened it since binili namin. So, we'll see. There's a letter card. So, meron pa free na ganito. I don't know ba't nilagyan ng lady doon. Siguro kasi February 14. So, they're thinking it's a gift. So, which is true naman. It's a gift. So, let's open. Okay, nilagay ng asawa ko dito. Let's see. What's inside? To my beautiful wife, happy first wedding anniversary. I love you so much, always and forever. Love, your husband. Oh, taray. Ganun siya. Like that. So, let's put it back for my wife. I don't want to take out the ribbon, so I'll pull it up na lang. So, ito na, guys! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you excited? Let's open! Wait, that time pala na binilaan nito. Sobrang happy lang. Kasi yung feeling na parang, oh my God, may Louis Vuitton na ako. Kuya lang ba yan? Oh my God! After so long, diba? Parang dati pa inisip mo, parang, can I afford to buy that bag? Parang, diba? Parang impossible. But then it's here. It came true. So there's no impossible. So yun. Here. But before I open, there is the receipt. This is the receipt. So they put here. So there's the receipt. So then, there's the receipt. Louis Vuitton, Marina Bay Sands. And what's this? Called the tags. So there. And then, wala naman na laman yung box. Yun lang. So we'll see. Where will I place this? Here. Kita niyo ba may handle? So, Louis Vuitton Croisette. I bought the Louis Vuitton Croisette. Sobrang ganda niya. Sabi ba, sobrang soft na leather. As in, sobrang soft. As in. Parang, oh my God. Louis Vuitton. So, there. You see? Front. Back. Side. Then side. And there is a tassel. Which is, I think, I should remove this because I don't want to make it bigger. Kasi syempre, the more you use it, diba, nagiging na nagagasgas, kumbaga. So, I don't want to use it. So, I'll just keep it. And then, there is the S-lock. Ta-da! What's inside? So, there is the strap. Later, I'll show you the strap. And then, the inside is red interior. And then, there is a one pocket inside. And then, it. So there, to lock it, we need this to push, and there. And then the strap, it comes with a dust bag as well. So there. And this one is a non-adjustable strap, so hindi siya na-adjust according to your preference. So, yan. Here. Then, you can see there is a Louis Vuitton in the strap. Louis Vuitton. And also, nakalimutan ko, sa tassel niya, meron din siyang Louis Vuitton na nakalagay. Yan. And I think, paano malalaman kung fake, because what I noticed, lahat ng prints, according siya, even you close it, yan, continuous siya. So, hindi siya nakakat. So, yan. Siguro yan isang reference mo to know if fake or not. So, there you go. This is my Louis Vuitton Croisette. My first Louis Vuitton. Which gave by my husband. Wait ha. Try natin yung strap. Let's try. Ito yung kanya when you wear it. It looks nice, diba? I love it. May plastic pa. I haven't take out. And I'm not planning to take out the plastic here. It's very nice, sobra. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So I hope magtagal siya at masundan. And I have plans to buy a lot. Joke lang. Pero yun, meron akong mga iba pang gusto. Bakene man, Mr. Loyola. So yun. And thank you. Thank you for giving me this, Daddy. And I love you so much. Happy first wedding anniversary. I hope you like my gift as well. I love you. Bye-bye! It looks nice, diba? May plastic pa. I haven't take out. And I'm not planning to take out the nice! Sobra.